2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single there, then 3-inch all the way back. MAGNAFLOW 12198 right there. There. And then we left the same tailpipe, still got the resonators on it on this side and this side. And then 5-inch massive tips there and there. It looks so much better with the 5-inch tips. Then and there's the old muffler right there. And there's the old tips. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That looks so good. Those 5-inch tips never disappoint. Sounds so good. MAGNAFLOW gives it a really nice deep tone. There's sound decibels. Again. 98. Go ahead and back it up. See, the MAGNAFLOW gives it a really just deep tone.
That's what I thought.
And then the tips give it even a deeper tone,
Yep,
you know?
that's what I was thinking of. Right?
Yeah. Again. Oh, that sounds really good. It's a really beautiful truck too. And it's gonna get deeper in about 30 days too, because when it really compacts that, yeah, the fiberglass inside. Dodge Ram with a MAGNAFLOW. True dual, straight, not true dual. MAGNAFLOW, single and dual out, and 5-inch tips.